What's up guys, another day, another player. Welcome to our reaction video presenting Mr. Mike Rabago. But before we start, alamin muna natin ang achievement ng ating bida. He is currently working at TGI Friday as in-store bartender trainer. He joined 25 national competition and 17 champion. Grabe. And 4 times TGIF Shake, Rattle and Pour store champion. He also represent the country at Singapore and Thailand, and also yung isa niyang competition na international dito ginanap sa Philippines. So all in all, 3 times siyang nag-represent ng bansa natin. So guys, let me introduce Mr. Mike Rabago. Grabe yung credentials nito when it comes to player tending sa mga achievement niya sa competition. So simulan na natin ang reaction video. Alright, so let's start this. 3 battles kaagad. Ang ganda nun. And, double left and right. Yung shoulder back flip niya sabay, and the ending is stall. Ito si Mike guys, masasabi ko dito, matagal ko na itong kakilala eh. Kababayan din natin to sa Zambales. And nung nakilala ko to, talagang ang expertise nito is multiple object. Yung mga 3 battles niya, 4 battles, and 5 battles niya. So ngayon guys, ang linis nitong routine niya. Ayan, so inulit natin guys, yan yung kanina. So signature move ni Mike yun, yung shoulder back flip na dalawa sabay, left and right. And again, pagdating sa execution, very smooth na rin. Difficulty nandoon, yung level of confident nandoon na rin. So, ito yung guys, yan, napakaganda niyan. Napakaganda nung move na yon. Body wrap, 2 bote. Tapos, nag-land siya ng stall. Si Mike Rabago guys is affiliated sa Philippine Bartenders League and Player Club Philippines. So, ito naman, panoorin natin yung isa sa mga international competition niya. So, dito makikita nyo, live battle to, actual competition, international. At dito papakita ni Mike kung gaano siya ka-passionate sa ginagawa niya at yung dedication niya na manalo sa isang competition. So difficulty, grabe ang taas ng difficulty nito. Buong buo yung loob, walang takot humarap sa anumang hamon or anumang laban ng bartending competition. So yan guys, kitang-kita nyo, wow, grabe. So, yung mga HRM student dyan, kung nakapag-bar tour na kayo sa TGI Fridays, mapapanood nyo dun si Mike live. Isa siya sa mga trainer at saka mga nagpe-perform sa TGI Fridays. And follow nyo rin yung Facebook niya kung gusto nyo pang ma-witness yung mga ibang upcoming videos na i-upload niya sa Facebook niya. So, ang masasabi ko lang, Mike, salute sa'yo, big respect, and keep on doing yung pagtitrain at pag-inspired sa mga future player bartenders natin. So hanggang dito na lang guys, hanggang sa muli.